Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to join the best server in Minecraft. First, you'll want to understand the different types of servers available, such as survival, creative, or minigame servers. Each offers a unique experience, so consider what you enjoy most. Next, ensure your Minecraft game version matches the server's version for seamless connection. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly, getting you into the action quickly and efficiently. To find a great server, start by exploring popular online server lists. These platforms allow you to browse thousands of active servers, often with detailed descriptions. You can filter by game mode, player count, and specific features like economy or PvP. Reading reviews and checking community forums can also provide valuable insights into a server's atmosphere and moderation. Look for servers with a consistent player base and positive feedback. Once you've chosen a server, launching Minecraft is your next step. From the main menu, select Multiplayer. Then, click Add Server and carefully input the server's IP address and port number, which you'll find on the server list. Give your server a memorable name. After saving, you can either directly connect or select it from your saved server list to jump right into the game. To truly enhance your server experience, always follow the established rules and show respect to other players. A positive community makes all the difference. Participate in server events, join community discussions, and consider contributing to the server's growth. Remember, a good server thrives on active and friendly players. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.